Hello, Puan. My name is Shaanjiv, son of RAVI KUMAR. My metric ID is BTAL 20060449 from Software Development course. Want to present about my coding project, and it is e-movie ticket booking system. So, what is e-movie booking system? It is a system that the customer can purchase their ticket with easy, instantly, and accurate. So, let's begin with my explanation. Okay, guys, before I'm going to explain the source code, okay, first of all, I would like to show my flowchart flow. So, let's start with the login. So, okay, this is the login part for the flowchart, and yes, we got put the selection, and this is the pseudocode for the login page. Okay, so that for register, this is the register part for flowchart with the pseudocode. Continue with the movie list. Yeah, I have used selection method. And with the source code. Now with the seat reservation. And the pseudocode. Okay, that's all for the flowchart and pseudocode. Now let's continue with our source code. So let's begin with our login page. So let's focus to here. Okay, in login page section, okay, I have initialized method, one method that will call the variable that I have created, and at here I also put a validation for login, and it is at here. So for the selection method, I have used if else. Okay, whenever the customer or either admin put the name admin and as their username and use the password as test, so they can log in with as usual. So if they run without putting anything, it will show the fields are empty. Other than that, it will show invalid username or password. Okay, if they have put the username and password correctly, so they will show login successfully. And then as we continue to after one more thing I want to add. Okay, once they press the login button, they okay. After that, they will go to main page. So, what is contained in main page? Source code. So, there's a method in which call the variable that I have created. This one, and there's a put an action listener button. So it is will go to the register section. Okay, that's it. So in the register section, okay, I have initialized method. As usual, it is called the variable, and I have put the scanner for so the customer can put their details at here. And then for the J table, I have created an exception. It is try and catch. So, and in this section, okay, I have initialized array so the database can understand, and we will receive receive and send the database into each other of the system. So, and for the loop, I have initialized for so they can register with continuously. So once they have registered with one detail, and after that they can re-register with other members. So okay, whenever they put the details at here, okay, they must click fill up, and then it must click display data so the output will be shown at here at this J table. And then for the validation, I have put success as usual. It will be filled when the database which will be saved at here is gone or distracted. So that's all for the register. And then let's continue to the movie list. So what's contained in movie list? Okay, in movie list I have initialized three kind of methods. That the first one, as usual, it will call for the image that I have put at here, and it will get the image, and it will show the image that I have specified at this location here at here. So after that, at here I have put selection method if else, so they can move the button with much easy. And then I have initialized try and catch exception for selecting the movie that they want to watch. Then I have put validation as usual, it will be success. In case they have any database destruction, it will show fail. So once they done once then they choose the movie, okay, they will go to the seat reservation at here. So I have called the action perform at here, so they can go to seat reservation. So this is this seat reservation. Okay, and here I have initialized as usual. There's a method that will call the variable that I have created, and then for the each every seat I have put the selection if else. And then for the in the add button, okay, I have initialized try and catch exception for the database to print out with much clear and with more understandable. So and then I have put a calculation for the seat in which they can select which one the seat they want to give order, and then we'll carry out with the print interface. So this is the button for the print interface, and we'll go to it here. So once they selected all the movie that they want to watch, Okay, will show it here, and the code. Okay, was here. Okay, as usual, the method I have initialized for variable, and then for the at this button, okay, I have put exception try and catch for the database can read and will show the orders that customer have purchased it, and use the array for the database, and for looping for the once in every time the customer purchase the ticket, it will show it continuously, and as usual there's a validation, it will show success, and once the database is destructed, it will show fail, like here. This is the text file for the movie, the print out movie ticket, booking ticket, and this is for the database for the name. Okay, and then I have add additional things that they will print out the system. So that's all, and then it will carry on with the main call. Then we go to back to the home page. Okay, that's all. Okay, let me run the system. Okay, yes. So if I put admin 123, it cannot be login. So I put here test add, also cannot. Run like this is also will show fields are empty. So the validations are correct. And then I will put admin and test as the password. Okay, login successful. So just we continue with the buying ticket. Okay, and just fill up. So once they have uh, once they have filled up the data, okay, they must click add here, fill up. So their name has been saved in the database. So once we click to the display data, okay, then we show this. So at here we can see at here, okay, they have been saved. Okay, and then so once done, okay, we proceed with the movie selection, and here we can select what kind of movie we want to see. Go back here. So in case I want to watch Black Panther 26, and once we have selected like this, we must add. So they will save at the receipt that we want to watch this movie. Okay, click the seat reservation. Okay, and just select to the seat that you want. Okay, let's say I want to choose S6, G6, and P6. Okay, once we have selected this seat, okay, we must press add, so they can calculate how much the each price of the seat. Okay, get success, and just go to the print and just display. Okay, that's it. Okay, once done, we just go to the print, you show, and just print out. Just click OK and they will print, and this button will go to the home. Okay, that's it. Thank you.